Hello everyone. In this tutorial series, we're going to be building this event calendar using React, MUI and Moment JS. And here is the preview of what the final product will look like. The features that are covered in this series are mentioned here, and the technologies that are used are also mentioned. This is not a tutorial about React, TypeScript, MUI or Moment, although you will learn some things about them, but I am assuming that you have worked with these technologies before. Now I'm going to create a project using white. Then I'm just gonna go into that folder and install the packages. Then after that's done, I'm just gonna open the project up and run it just so I can see if everything is working properly. Then I'm just gonna do some cleanup of the code that came with the template. After that, I'm gonna search for MUI installation and I'm gonna install the packages of MUI. I forgot to install Moment JS also, so I'm gonna just install that as a separate command. With that done, we are done with installing packages. So I'm back at my VS Code and we're gonna create a separate folder for the components. You can name it however you want. For this tutorial I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna create a separate file and I'm gonna create a new file called event calendar. Then I'm just gonna create a functional component in it using RAFCE. This is a code snippet that I have from an extension that I am using. Then I'm just using a stack for the basic layout of the page. I'm gonna set it up so it takes the whole page. Now I'm gonna center line everything. After that, I'm just gonna import the component I created and use that. With all this done, we have a whole page view of our component, and this is gonna be it for this video. I will continue on this in the next video. If you want to stay up to date with all of this, you can consider subscribing to the channel. And if you liked the video and if you enjoyed the content, Please like the video, and if you have any suggestions about the video quality or anything about my videos in general, or any ideas that you want to suggest me, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.